morning, world. Every Finn man and every Finn woman and other people in the world loves holidays. But there is a little thing like sasket and other bugs that annoys us. So today we're gonna, and the Thermacell bags. In Finland it's 40 euros. I think it's 6 or 5 of these. It's 40 euros. 30 euros. It's insane. So today we're gonna check out how to fill and refill the Thermacells. Let's go. So the tools you need is of course lighter gas and pliers and a screw and this thing called Martini Finland knife is very sharp. You don't need to touch the blade. It's made of Finland. It's one of the best. So in this situation we don't have it doesn't fit. I don't know what the fuck Mustang is thinking, but you need to take a little bit off for the main system. Just scrape your way a little bit like this. So it's gonna fit one of these nozzles. You want it to fit for this nozzle. So this doesn't fit yet, but I'm gonna change to the one that is already done. So the video doesn't, yes, it fits. So I'm gonna do one for reverse. You have the bottle, it has nozzle and it has I don't know what this lock is called from London, England or other country language that you want to use. There is this backstop pressure stop system in here inside. So you take your screw, you screw it in, and now come closer, my love. Then you roll it so you can hear this knocks. Did you hear it? Yes. Okay, now you can pull it away. And this is the back pressure stop that stops you for refill. Now we take this off. We put a nozzle back. Now it's empty. It's gonna look like this. Now you put this back and you just put pressure so you can hear, come closer again, and you can hear that sound. Then it's way to go. Now you just put the nozzle in there so you can see it's gonna refill. If you want to refill it for, this is the point when the pressure is so high in this bottle, and at this time it's gonna go fast for here, and now it's gonna take time because the back pressure is too high for this bottle. So you can take it off and put it back, take it off, put it back, so the pressure is relieved and the bottle can fill it more quickly. And here we go. This is 2 euros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 30 euros. So count yourself. I have refilled from one bottle of lighter gas for now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and counting. You're welcome.